guys, welcome back to our video. So today is going to be a Goodwill thrift haul. This is from the dollar tags. Every Thursday they do dollar tags. So I'm going to show you guys what we got. Well, what I got. So stay tuned. I'm wearing my bathing suit. I'm going to be trying on the outfits. So that's why I'm wearing a bathing suit right now. You guys will see. So if you guys are ready, watch. So we had the brilliant idea to do a time lapse, and now it's going way too fast, so hopefully I can keep up with these images. That's a shirt and some pants that I got at the thrift store. So cute. Reminds me of the 90s. This is a bodysuit from Forever 21. Also super cute. Fits perfectly. And I got these pants, which I already ripped the ankle part of it. I'll show you guys later. Super cute as well. I think you guys could slow it down to see like all the pieces of clothing. This is a turtleneck. I know it's the summer, but it's cute. We'll save it for the winter. And these were some brand new pants, some slacks for the office, which were so cute. They had brand new tags. This is a shirt, a long sleeve shirt. Again, I know it's summer, I know it's hot, but it's so cute. And it was only $1. Next is a shirt. I already wore this shirt. I already washed everything, so you guys know. Also, this shirt is ripped. I think it's cute. There, I'm super thirsty. I'm drinking water, staying hydrated. These shorts are super long, so I'm tying them there. I'm folding them. But guess what? I ripped them. And that's me ripping them. And then I frayed them. I know Alfonso would like them as booty shorts, but no. This is a cute tank top. And that's a Forever 21 little crop top. Oh my gosh, can I keep up? Oh, that's another turtleneck. I thought it was super cute. A dress. Not very flattering. Fit me tight. Struggling. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Bleh. Those are super cute. Perfect for the summer. I already wore that too. The cover up. Really, really cute. That's a shirt, a little tank top. Oh, that's like a 90s sweater. It is so cute. It reminds me of Grease. That's another sweater, also from the 90s. I thought it was really cute. That's a romper. It looks like a dress, but it's actually a romper. It's okay. Not my favorite, but hey, it was $1. And that's me drinking water. That is super. I thought it was cute, but once I put it on, it wasn't that cute. Those are some cute shorts. Super, super cute. They're Old Navy. Oh my god. That shirt was a disaster. I thought I could fit in it. I looked like a damn chorizo stuffed in a freaking lining of it. I'll probably give it to my niece because she's very cute and thin. That is a striped dress. I really like that dress. I already wore it when we were in Vegas this past weekend. Super cute. My husband wanted it really, really short, but not me. And that's cute, I guess. It's okay if I put a belt on it. But thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Love you.